Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today it's gonna be about how to create a good beautiful eyeliner. So um, people use different things to create an eyeliner. It could be a pencil, it could be a powder, it could be a gel, it could be a liquid. So today I'm going to be showing you two ways you can create your eyeliner without having to wear a false lashes, and you're still going to get a good, result. So what I normally do is I love to tight line. I love to tight line my eyes if I'm not going to wear lashes. So if I'm going for this um, glam look and I want it to look like I'm wearing lashes and I'm not, or I want it to look like I have a fuller lashes, I always like to tight line my eyes, and I always like to use the either the eye pencil or the powder, the black shadow, the black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow can do. So what I normally do is I go ahead and tight line with my brush and my eyeshadow or my black eye pencil, my black eyeliner pencil. After that, I now go in with my either my liquid or my gel or whatever I'm going to be using to create my eyeliner. So if you want to see how I create these two different looks, which is gel, I'm using gel liner and this eyeshadow is a black eyeshadow, just a powder regular eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this versus this. So this is going to be, the powder is going to be on my right eye and the gel is going to be on my left eye. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up, like, and share this video, and leave me a comment at the bottom section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. So now I'm going to go ahead to tight line my eyes before I start with the gel and the shadow to create the liner. Right now you can see the difference between before I tight line and now I already tight line. As you can see, my eye looks a little fuller. It looks like, I'm already having some fullness going on there. So that's what that tight line does. guys think? This is surprising. This is the gel, as you can see, and this is powder. I think I prefer the powder one. The powder one looks more natural to me compared to the gel. I'm gonna go ahead and put a black liner at the bottom part of my lid. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the powder side. This is what it looks like. And this is the gel side. This is what it looks like. Which one do you prefer? The powder or the gel? For me, I prefer the powder side. This way, I prefer the powder one to the gel. I don't know about you. Leave me a comment below and tell me which part you prefer, which side you prefer, the powder this way or the gel this way. So I don't know. Both looks good. Like, I mean, from the camera and from my mirror, both looks good. But if I'm to pick anyone to look more natural, I will be taking the powder side. So that's it. So this will be the end of this video. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. So it's gel versus shadow powder, eyeshadow powder, gel versus eyeshadow powder liner. So that's what this video is all about. So I hope you enjoyed the video, like I said earlier. And please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment at the bottom section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.